Hello and welcome to Shelley's Sacred Space and our crystal curiosities. Today, we are going to be talking about zeolite. Now, I think I've heard it pronounced zeolite. So, tomato, tomato, you pick. Anyways, it is a group of crystals that are normally found together. And so you can get a range of colors, shapes, sizes, and look because it's all these different crystals. So the crystals that are included are apophyllite, oakenite, pectolite, preonite, and stilbite. So those characteristics enter into this crystal. Before we get into all of that, we're going to look at some samples. I was able and very lucky to get ones with some different coloring. Super exciting. So I have different sizes. So as you can see, this is one. I'm going to show you the little one first, but these are all the same. So that has a bit of green on it on this side, which I'm not sure if you can see. And then it's this clear, cloudy, like it's not clear, but it's cloudy. It's kind of white, but it's not white, white. Like you can see the darkness through it. If you put light up to it, you can kind of like it's not clear, it's opaque, but this one has this really cool little rough spot right here. I think you can just see it. Isn't that cool? And then, of course, the green part on the bottom. So that's kind of all the ones that are the same color there. Then I have this one here, ooh, which is still the same. Look at the sparkle in there. And the different types. This does have a tendency to break apart a little bit. So you might find you end up with little itty bitty pieces, which are great to just add into plants or that. It also came with this piece, which to me looks like a chunk of apophyllite. Like you don't even know how excited I was. Again, it does have this bottom part here that almost feels like it can chip off. So that's a little bit different. So the bottom is actually this opaque where the top is more clear. And there's just like, look at the inside. So cool. Now this one is a little bit different. So again, we have the clusters, so very awesome. But then as we turn it right here, in here, you got a whole other world. There's sparkle in there. I don't know if you can get the sparkle, but there's chunks growing in there too. And then as we look at the back, like it's just a phenomenal piece. Now this has a bit of the yellow, a bit more of a cooler color here. And it doesn't have the peach color like this one. So this one is even another different one. Like these are just stunning pieces. There's the pink and the base, and like it's just, oh, I love these pieces. Now, the piece that stood out the most to me that I bought all of well, these were actually two different packages. There was one that I think it was this one in the one and this one in the other package. Look at that. You've got the peach all the way over here. You've got the green over here. You've got the white, got the more peach. That's almost a pinky color. Like it's just, look at it. It is stunning. So awesome. And as you likely, well, you may have seen, there's little bits and pieces that have come off and fallen down, but they're not huge. So again, different. Like it seems they're not they're not soft, but they definitely, if you were to toss it, you're going to lose chunks off of it. Like I don't You likely wouldn't even be able to see it if I picked it up and showed you. Nope, you cannot see. I don't know. Can you? Yes, right there. That's a little piece that has come off. All right. Anywho, love, 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 love these. They are good for absorbing toxins, and this includes toxic energy. This includes toxins. This includes negative energy. Um, they can help with addictions. They are great in the garden. So apparently they help by absorbing excess water and helping to remove toxins from the soil. So whether you're doing it in a farm or you're doing it in a potted plant, they can help in the garden with your plants. It is also aids in bloating, enhances energies, enhances spiritual growth and connection. It's great for the root chakra as well as the higher chakras. So it can ground you, but it also can connect your crown, your third eye. Um, the green part will connect to the heart chakra. So it's an all around, all chakra base, which is great. It's also known as the Reiki stone. So it helps to connect with the attunement energies, but it also enhances the healing response. So if you're doing Reiki, you can hold this to help project it out. You can utilize it to absorb the energy around to try to get any negative energy out of the surrounding area while you're doing the Reiki treatment. It's fantastic. Um, yeah, it's I actually used it for meditation. I want to say, is it this morning? I held one piece in each hand and I went really deep into the meditation, but still was present. So it was very interesting. I really like the energy. I'm an apophyllite fan. I love apophyllite. It's not for everyone. It My body responds to it really cool. So we might have to talk about that one soon. But because this can have that in there, that's amazing. And preonite is great for Reiki energy and for healing and for removing. Anyways, I don't know all the individual um, properties for all the crystals. I'm going to look them up, but I just absolutely like I have preonite, I have apophyllite, I have stillbright. I don't know if I have pectolite, and I don't think I have oakenite, but I'll look them up and see. These are so cool. Like just the powerhouse that this collection is. I just, I love that each one of them is different. And even ones that are the same, they're still different qualities. And it's not necessarily what you see, sometimes it's what you feel. It's just, what a great stone. I'm so excited that I got it. I didn't, and it was funny because I was listening to a podcast called Psychic Teachers. If you ever get a chance to listen to that, please do. It's fantastic. And Samantha Fay was talking about zeolite. And then I went looking for zeolite. I spelt it differently and I found zeolite. And I'm like, I'm pretty sure that's the same thing. And so I bought some because I had the opportunity to. And am I ever glad that I did? And she recommended it for anyone who is working in the spiritual realm to help connect and help clear out and just that healing energy that it provides. And I will say, the different directions of the points, like in this one where you've got all different angles, it helps to diffuse out stuff. So it also helps when things are coming towards it, it'll break it apart and send it away. So that's why those kinds of crystals are really good. The bigger chunks are great for directing out or again absorbing in, depending on what the intention is for them. It's just they're so the energy is solid. It's like I know they kind of fall apart and pieces come off of them, but the energy is just the crystal itself is relatively like this one's a good weight to it. Um, you can feel the grounding, like it connects right there. Your feet start to, well, my feet start to vibrate right away. And then for the bringing in of source energy, it's like it just opens up your crown chakra and it just goes, phew. It's the most amazing feeling. Anyways, if you get a chance to check it out, go to a crystal store, take time to feel it, take time to sit with it, see how it connects with you. And if it's for you, please, you know, grab a piece or two. Thank you so much for joining me for this crystal curiosity and our talk about zeolite. Until the next time, bye for now.